Hello class, today we are going to multiply and divide one-step equation. So remember, an equation has an equal sign. Think of it like a balance. What you do on one side, you do to the other. Okay, so in the first example, we are going to solve for x. We always do the inverse operation. So let me rewrite the problem. So it's x divided by 3 equals negative 6. I'm going to split the equation at the equal sign. I'm going to box out the variable. That's the side I'm working on. The opposite of division is multiplication. So I can say multiply by 3 over 1. Because look what happens. My 3 divided by 3 is 1. Isn't 1 times x just 1x? That's our goal. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So x equals negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. And then once again, remember to do a check. So if I put negative 18 in for x, so negative 18 divided by 3, does that equal negative 6? Yes, it does. Check. Okay, let's try the next one. 18 equals negative 4y. So I'm going to split the equation at the equal sign. Remember, it's like a balance. I'm going to box out the variable because that's the side that I'm working on. This says negative 4 times y. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by negative 4 on both sides. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 gives me just one positive y. That's what we want to be left with. And then negative 18 fourths. So can negative 18 fourths be simplified? Yes, I know it could be divided both by 2. They're both even numbers. So divided by 2. So negative 18 divided by 2 is negative 9. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So negative 9 halves equals y. Or you could change it to a mixed number, negative 4 and 1 half. So now let's substitute it in. So negative 4, I can put negative 4 over 1 times negative 9 over 2. Does that equal positive 18? Well, 2 can go into 4 2 times. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So negative 2 times negative 9 is positive 18. Check. It works. Let's try another one. So negative a equals negative 24. So remember, if I don't see a coefficient, the coefficient is a 1. So let me split the equation at the equal sign. It's negative 1 times a, so the inverse of multiplication is division. So negative, we're going to divide by negative 1 on both sides. So negative 1 divided by negative 1 gives us positive a, positive 1a. Negative 24 divided by negative 1 is positive 24. So a equals 24. When I substitute it in, does negative 24 equal negative 24? Check. Yes, it does. Okay, solving equations using reciprocals. So let me rewrite the equation. Negative 4/5 times x equals negative 8. Okay. So we know we're going to work on the side where the variable is. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we can divide by negative 4/5. Divide by negative 4/5. However, when we divide by a fraction, remember it's keep, change, flip. So the flip is the reciprocal. So negative 4/5 is going to end up being flipped anyway. So let me erase this. And then we will just go right to the reciprocal. If you can understand that, it'll make life a lot easier for when you get to upper level math. Okay, so we're going to multiply by negative 5/4. Because look what happens. Multiply by negative 5/4. Let me just do it on both sides. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 equals positive 1x. What you do on one side, you do to the other. 4 can go into 8. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So negative 2 times negative 5 gives us positive 10. So x equals 10. Let's substitute it in and let's check it. So negative 4/5 times 10 over 1, does that give us negative 8? Let's cross simplify. Can 5 go into 10? Yes. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Check. Great job, guys. Let's try another. Okay, so once again, split the equation at the equal sign. Isolate the variable. You could pause the video and see if you could do it on your own if you like. We're going to end up dividing, but when we divide by a fraction, we multiply by the reciprocal. Our goal is to get h by itself. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So if you look at your 3's, they are going to cancel out and be 1s. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So 1 times 1 is just 1h. Okay, now look here. Can 3 go into 9? Yes, it can. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So negative 3 times 8 is negative 24. So let's plug it in. Let's try a check. So 3/8 times negative 24, does that equal negative 9? Well, I know 8 can go into 24 3 times. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9. Check. Great job, guys. I hope this helped you understand about multiplying and dividing equations. Have a great day.